guys, what's up? So you're probably wondering why right now I'm holding a Peeps bunny up. That's because today, March 27th, is day of Easter. And you can tell because I'm wearing bunny ears and we have an Easter egg. We have a surprise Easter egg here today. And the Peep. So let's open this Easter egg. Hold on one moment. Apparently I had to sit on a pillow because the bunny is way taller than me for some reason. And now I don't need the pillow. Yes, I actually do need the pillow because now the Easter egg's taller than me. So you can kind of still see my ears, but not all the way. So let's open this Easter egg. What is that, Peep? Okay, so, whoa. First thing I see is some Pop Rocks, which is pretty good because I like Pop Rocks. And the next thing is an LPS Buffalo. If you could just see that. You could just see that. It has a flower on its booty and a leaf on its head. So that's pretty cute. Last two things are in here. And okay. So the last two things are this little cute purple hippo. You can't tell already. It's purple. And this cute little horse. I say it wrong sometimes, horse. So it has like little blue hair stuff. Okay, hope you guys like that Easter egg surprise. Hope you guys like that surprise Easter egg. And for the shout out to the creator of Peeps. Shout out to the Peeps company, the Pop Rocks company, and Hasbro for LPS. And all those companies that I showed, and whatever sticker company this is from, shout outs to them because, and the Easter Bunny because they gave me the stuff for Easter. So now I have it. Okay, so I hope you guys like this video. I am going to upload it, and I don't really have to edit, which is pretty cool. So hope you guys like this video, and bye!